Good morning everyone. Today we are going to explain exercise 14.4 from NCERT, and this is the last part of this chapter. In this part we will discuss all the questions of this exercise 14.4. Now the question is given here. Find and correct the error in the following mathematical statement. Okay. So in this question a statement is given here, a mathematical statement is given here. We have to find the error and we have to correct it, and we have to also write the correct statement. Okay, so question number 1. It is given 4x minus 5 equals to 4x minus 5. Okay, so here we have to check this expression is right or wrong, and if it is wrong then we have to correct it. Okay, so first of all, this is LHS part and this is RHS part. So just take LHS part. So it will be 4x minus 5. Okay, now 4 is multiplied to x, then minus 5. Like this, 4 is multiplied to x, then 4 is multiplied to 5. So let's see here. When 4 is multiplied to x, then it will be 4x. When 4 is multiplied to minus 5, so it will be minus 20. Okay. Now, this is LHS part, 4x minus 20, and this will not equal to 4x minus 5. Okay. So this will not equal to RHS. So what is error? This is 4x minus 20 and this is 4x minus 5. Okay, so minus 5, this is the error. Okay, and we have to write correct statement. So correct statement will be 4x minus 5, this part. This is LHS part. Now this is equals to 4x minus 20. Okay, 4x minus 20. So this is the correct statement and this is the answer. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Now next question. Question number 2. The expression is given here, and we have to write. We have to check is it correct or wrong, correct statement or wrong statement. If it is wrong or incorrect statement, then we have to correct it and write the correct statement. Now, first of all, we will take LHS part. So this one is LHS and this one is RHS part. Now it will be x, 3x plus 2. Now just solve it. So x is multiplied to 3x, then x is multiplied to 2. Okay, so x into 3x, that is 3x square. Now x into plus 2, so it will be 2x. Okay. So this is the expression, and this is not equal to RHS part, because RHS is given here 3x square plus 2. Now what is it here? 3x square plus 2x. Now this is error here. At the place of 2 it will be, it must be 2x. Okay, so this is wrong statement and this is error. And what is correct statement? This will not equal to RHS. Okay, and correct statement, that is CS, correct statement will be x, 3x plus 2, LHS part. This equals to this one, 3x square plus 2x. So this will be the correct statement. Okay. Now next question. 2x plus 3y equals to 5x. Okay. Now just take LHS part. So 2x plus 3y. Then in LHS part there are two terms, 2x and 3y. Two terms are there, so it cannot be added because there are different variables. In 2x, x is the variable, and in 3y, y is the variable, and variable are different, so they cannot be added. Now this is not equals to RHS. RHS is given here 5xy, so this is completely wrong. Now correct statement will be 2x plus 3y is also equals to 2x plus 3y. It will not, cannot be added, so this is the correct statement. Okay. Now next question. X plus 2x plus 3x equals to 5x. Now just take LHS part. Okay, so this is x, 2x and 3x. Variables are same, so it can be added. So x plus 2x, that is 3x, and 3x plus 3x, that is 6x. So it will be 6x. Okay, and what is RHS is given here? 5x. Okay, so this is the error, and this will not equals to RHS part. Okay, so it is incorrect expression. Now what is correct statement? LHS part, this equals to 6x. So this is the answer, and this is the correct statement. Okay, now it's very easy. 5y plus 2y plus 5 minus 7y equals to 0. Okay, so LHS part will be here 5y plus 2y plus 5 minus 7y. So 5y plus 2y plus y. Okay, it can be added. So 5y plus 2y, that is 7y plus y, that is 8y. Okay, 8y minus 7y. So it will be 8y minus 7y, that is y is left. Okay. So this will not equals to 0. Okay. So this will not equals to RHS part. So what is correct statement? CS is denoted by correct statement. So it will be RHS part equals to y. Okay. So this is correct statement, and this is the answer also. Okay, now next question. The statement is given here. We have to, first of all, when we take LHS part, now this is LHS part, so it can be simplified here. So 2x whole square. So we can write 2 square, that is 4, and x square, that is x square. 4x square plus 4 into 2x, that is 4 2s are 8, 8x in here plus 7. Okay, so this is the simplification, and what is given here, the RHS part, 2x square plus 8x plus 7. Now what is correct? That is 4x square plus 8x plus 7. So 2x square, this is mistake, this is error here. It must be 4x square. So this will not equals to RHS part. So correct statement will be LHS, that is 2x whole square plus 4 into 2x plus 7. This equals to, this is LHS part. So this will be, sorry, RHS part equal to that. So it will be 4x square plus 8x plus 7. Now this is the correct answer. This is the correct statement, and this is the answer also. Okay. Now this was the explanation of this question. Now the next question will be, the expression is given here. 3x plus 2 whole square equals to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. Now again same process. Take LHS part first. So it will be 3x plus 2 whole square. Now this expression in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, and the formula will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. We have already studied this formula. So apply this formula here. A square, so 3x whole square plus b square, that is 2 square plus 2a. So 2a is 3x 3 is 9. 9x square plus 2 square, that is 4, plus 2 into 3 into 2. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So 12x. Okay. So this is the correct. And what is RHS is given here? 3x square plus 6x plus 4. 9x square plus 12x plus 4. That means 3x square and 6x are the errors. So we have to write correct statement. So correct statement will be LHS part is equals to 9x square plus 4 plus 12x. And this will be the correct statement, and this is the answer also. So next question. Substituting x equals to minus 3 in this equation gives 15. Okay. So we have to find is it correct statement or not. On putting x equals to minus 3 in this equation, we have to find the answer will be 15 or not. Okay. So just check it here. On putting x equals to minus 3, what we get from this equation? X square, so minus 3 square plus 5x. So at the place of x we have to write minus 3 plus 4. Now it will be minus 3 square, that is 9, plus 5 3 is 15. So this will be minus 15 plus 4. Okay. So 9 plus 4, that is 13 minus 15. So it will be minus 2. Okay. And what is given here? 15. That means this is not equals to RHS part. Okay. And this is incorrect statement. On solving, on putting x equals to minus 3 in this equation, we get minus 2, not 15. Okay. So this is the correct statement. And what is correct statement? Correct statement will be, you can write here CS correct statement. Equation, that is x square plus 5x plus 4 equals to minus 2. Okay. This is the answer. And this is the correct statement also. Okay. Now it's very easy. Similarly, next question is A part. So next will be B part. Substituting x equals to minus 3 in this equation gives minus 2. Okay. I just put the value x equals to minus 3 at the place of x in this equation. So it will be on putting x equals to minus 3 in this equation. So it will be x square, so minus 3 square minus 5 minus 3 whole square, that is 9 minus 3, so plus 15 plus 4. Okay. So it will be 15 plus 4, that is 19. 19 plus 9, that is 28. So 28 is the answer. And what is RHS given here? Minus 2. So this will not equals to RHS. Okay. What is correct statement? This equation, that is the correct statement will be x square minus 5x plus 4 equals to 28. At the place. So this will be the correct statement. Now next one. Y minus 3 whole square equals to y square minus 9. So this expression is given. Now how can we solve it? First of all, we have to take LHS part. So LHS part, that is y minus 3 whole square. So it will be y minus 3 whole square. Now this simplified, so a minus b whole square. The formula is we can apply here. So a square plus b square minus 2a. So just apply the formula, that is a square, so y square plus b square, that is 3 3 is 9 minus 2ab. Okay, so minus 2, a is y and b is 3 here. So again simplified, so it will be y square plus 9, 2 3 is 6y, minus 6y. This is the RHS part. This will not equal to RHS because it is given here y square minus 9. So this will not equal to RHS. And what is correct statement? Correct statement is LHS part, that is y minus 3 whole square equals to, this is, so y square plus 9 minus 6. Okay, so this is the correct statement and this is the answer also. Okay, now next one, 2a plus 3b multiplied to a minus b, that gives 2a square minus 3b square. Again we have to take first LHS part. Now first of all 2a is multiplied to a, okay, then 2a is multiplied to minus b. Similarly 3b is multiplied to a, then 3b is multiplied to minus b. So this is the process to multiply. Now 2a into a, that is 2a square, 2a into minus b, that is minus 2ab, 3b into a, that is 3ab, 3b into minus b, that is minus 3b square. Okay, so this is the simplification. Now again simplify 2a square minus 2ab plus 3a, so it will be plus ab. This equals to, so this is the simplification. Now it will not equals to RHS part. This is 2a square minus 3b square, 2a square plus ab. So this will not equals to RHS. So it is incorrect statement. So what is correct statement? Let's suppose CS, that is correct statement, that is LHS part equals to this expression, that is 2a square plus ab. So this is the correct statement and this is the answer also. Now next one. Now question is given 3x square divided by 3x square equals to 0. Okay, so just take LHS part. Okay, so it will be cancelled out. So 3 and 3, x square and, so this is x square and x square. Okay, so 3x square it will be cancelled out 3x square by 1 times. Okay, so 1 by 1, so 1 is the simplification, that is 1. Now this will not equal to RHS part, RHS is 0 given here. So this will not equal to RHS. So which is incorrect statement. What is correct statement? Correct statement will be 3x square divided by 3x square is equals to 1. Okay, so this is the answer and this is the correct statement also. Okay, very easy. Now next question. Now the question is given here 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, this expression is given. So first of all, just take LHS part. So this will be 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square. Okay. How can we simplify it? We cannot cancel out by like this. Okay. Because which is plus 1 is given here. This is not the right way to solve. How can you solve it? 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square. Okay. So how can you solve it? 3x square upon 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square. Okay, we have to split this function, this term. So first 3x square divided by this term plus 1 upon 3x square. This is the right way to solve. Okay, so see here students, 3x square divided by this term. So 3x square divided by 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square. So this will be 1 upon 3x square. This is the right way to express this expression. Okay. Now it can be cancelled out, 3x square and 3x square. So by 1 times it will be cancelled out. Okay. So what is left? 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. Okay. So it is the right expression. And what is given here? 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So this is incorrect statement. Okay. So this will not equals to RHS part. What is correct statement? Correct statement will be LHS part. So it will be 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square. This equals to LHS equals to RHS. So it will be 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. So 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. So this is the answer and this is the correct statement. Okay, CS denoted as correct statement. Now next question. Now the expression is given here. So just take LHS part first. So LHS part will be this one. So 4x plus 5 divided by 4x. Okay. Now it can be solved. So 4x upon 4x plus 5 upon 4x. Same process as we have done in previous question. We have to split this function, split this form and this term 4x plus 5. So first one time we have to take 4x and 4x plus second time we will take 5 upon 4x. Okay. So see here 4x upon 4x plus 5 upon 4x. Now it will be cancelled out. 1 is left, so what will be left here? 1 plus 5 upon 4x. Okay, so this is the RHS part. This is the solution of this RHS part. Now, what is written here? 5. So this is incorrect statement. So this will not equal to RHS. Okay, this is incorrect statement. What is correct statement? Correct statement will be LHS part. So this one 4x plus 5 divided by 5 is equals to this one. Okay, 1 plus 5 by 4x. Now this is the final answer. This is the correct statement. Okay. Now next question. Question 21. This is the last question of this exercise. The expression is given here. Okay. So first of all, we have to take LHS part. That is this term is LHS part and this is RHS part. So this is 7x plus 5 upon 5. Now just simplify it. So if we going to simplify it, so 5 and 5, it will be not cancel out. Okay, this is not the right way to solve. But in this expression, it's look like 5 cancel out, 7x is left. So this is incorrect. Okay, what is right method? Right method to solve, that is 7x plus 5 by 5 is given here. Now we have to split this term 7x upon 5 plus 5 upon 5. Okay, so this is the right way to solve. Plus 5 upon 5. 7x upon 5 plus 5 upon 5. The now it will be cancelled out. Okay, 5 and 5. 1 times cancel out. So it will be 7x upon 5 plus 1. Now this will equals to RHS part. This will not go to RHS part. It is given here 7x. So this will be the RHS and this is not equals to RHS. Okay, so it is incorrect statement. What is correct statement? CS. That implies correct statement. That is LHS part. So 7x plus 5 divided by 5 equals to, and this one is final answer, final expression. So this will be 7x upon 5 plus 1. Okay. So this is the right answer and this is the correct statement, correct mathematical statement. And this was the complete explanation of exercise 14.4. So thank you so much, friends. In next video we will discuss next chapter. Thank you so much.